My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mazda cx-5. This vehicle has done 59,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access communication, navigation and settings, entertainment and applications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. Just below the screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are cream leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.